What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage, man. We back at it with another video, and you guys already see what we are talking about today, and it is the Air Jordan 13 Flints, man. So if you're new, you guys already know the deal. Subscribe, ring the notification bell, like the video. The goal for every video is 300 likes, and I know you guys are gonna help the video get there. And follow me over on IG at DeVintage World. It'll be linked down below in the description box, man. So I've been seeing a lot of people talking about these Air Jordan 13 Flints. I see some people saying they gonna sit, they major GRs. I even see some people say they don't like the reflective. Just so many people had different opinions on my review and on feet video that I dropped a couple of weeks back, or I think I actually dropped it like last month. So if you guys have not checked out the review and on feet over these Air Jordan 13 Flints, man, you are missing out. Go tune in, and that's gonna show you why this shoe is definitely gonna be a hard cop. And I feel like the resale price is still gonna stay above 300 upon the release. I know everybody's waiting on a shock drop, an exclusive access drop on the Nike sneakers app. We don't know if we're gonna get it. We don't know if they're gonna do it. It's just really up in the air right now. A lot of people have different opinions on if they're gonna drop something during the Last Dance documentary. Me personally, I think they will do another shock drop this upcoming Sunday on the Flint 13s. You know, usually we get it a week before the release, and the final Last Dance episode is featuring the week before the Air Jordan 13 Flint release. They did the same thing with the Fire Red 5s and did something similar with the Air Jordan 1 Royal Toes. But the only difference between the Royal Toes and Air Jordan 5, you guys already know, was that it was exclusive access for the Royal Toes, and the Air Jordan 5s was a shock drop, even though a lot of people knew about that shock drop happening. You guys can check on StockX, go wherever you go to check out your resale prices and the market and stuff like that. And you can see these joints going for almost $400, and it's only a couple weeks before the release. You know, usually that's when we start seeing the resale prices slow down. They start to dip down real low, but these joints is staying around $380 to $400 in my size. I was thinking about doubling up. I don't know how it's gonna be upon the release on that Saturday, May 30th. So I'd rather be safe than sorry. A lot of people been waiting on this shoe. A lot of OGs, man. They finally got the reflective hits throughout the upper of this Air Jordan 13 Flint. And a lot of people always ask me, why is this shoe so hyped? Why does everybody love this shoe so much? My reason is very different from a lot of other people's. You know, I wasn't around when this shoe first released, but just me seeing this dope colorway on different people's feet, seeing it on the internet and stuff like that, growing up as a kid, I was like, bro, this shoe is freaking spectacular. And of course, I didn't have the money back then to go and get this shoe. So now it feels so good to have these in hand, and it felt super, super dope that I could bring out that early review and on feet for you guys. So like I said, if you have not checked that out, make sure you go check it out. I'm gonna leave a card above, and I'm gonna link the video down below in the description box as well, so you guys can go check out that dope, clean on feet over these 13 Flints. I remember a couple years back, man, we got the Cherry 13s, we got the Bread 13s, and we even got the He Got Game 13s, which we all seen sit for a very, very long time. A lot of people was like, this shoe got disrespected. But this one right here, I'm telling you guys right now, if you're watching this video, do not sleep on the release for these Flint 13s. I know it's gonna be a lot of people taking L's. You know, usually go on Instagram the last couple weeks, you see nothing but W's on the feed. But for these Flint 13s, this is my prediction, it's gonna be a lot of L's. It's probably gonna be one of the hardest sneaker to cop this year. And I know it's kind of hard to believe with it being at 13, but like I said, this is all my personal prediction, because I already know me, I'm going after 2 pair. I know it's a lot of people that I do lives with, a lot of people that be in the chat, they said, man, I'm copping 2 or 3 pairs of these joints, because we don't know when these joints are gonna release again. I think the last time they released was 2010 or 2013, one of the two. So that's 7+ years we haven't got this one, man. So I know a lot of people, a lot of OGs, a lot of old heads is like, man, I'm about to cop me like 3 pairs of these joints, one to rock, one to throw in a collection, and one to throw on display. You just never know. I just know me personally, I'm definitely gonna be rocking a pair of these Flints. I already got this one that I've been wearing for the on feet portion, and I'm gonna throw a little bit of the on feet portion at the end of this video so you guys can check it out. Just a quick little 30 seconds to a minute of you guys seeing these on feet. If you have never had a pair of Air Jordan 13 Flints, if you're a young cat in the game and you like me, you couldn't afford them when you was growing up, I'm letting you guys know right now, do not sleep on this release. Definitely use your Chrome browsers if you're going to be using Foot Locker, Champ Sports, Finish Line, and stuff like that, so you can manually autofill all of your information to cop one of these Air Jordan 13 Flints. As you guys seen the past couple releases, the Air Jordan 5 Fire Reds, the Air Jordan 1 Royal Toes, the Air Jordan 1 Court Purple 2.0s, all of them joints flew off of sneakers app. So that's probably one of the sites that I might try initially, like on my phone. But on my laptop, I would definitely be trying to grab a pair of these Flint 13s just to be safe, because you never know what sneakers app. Sometimes they don't even let you know if you got an L for like another 2 to 3 hours. I know it's been a huge issue with Foot Locker sending out confirmation emails, people's orders getting canceled and stuff like that. But if I was you guys, and if you don't trust this whole sneakers app thing, I would definitely head over to Foot Locker or Champ Sports or Foot Action and stuff like that, so you can be successful on copying these Air Jordan 13 Flints. I want everybody in the comment section below right now to let me know if you're going to be grabbing these Air Jordan 13 Flints. Are you going to be doubling up, tripling up? Let me know down below, because as we do know, Some of these OG colorways that have been releasing lately, like the Bread 11s, you see a lot of people grabbing 2 to 3 pair of them joints just because they really like that sneaker and they don't know when it's going to release again, and now they got the time to, you know, wear the shoe a lot more often. So for me, I'm letting you guys know right now, I'm definitely going to be grabbing another pair for sure, if not 2 pairs. I'm really hoping that my local PX get these Air Jordan 13 Flints so I can cop them for way under retail. Usually when the shoes retail for $200 or $190, you got to pay like $150 or $160. So that's a whole $40 to $50 off of these Air Jordan 13 Flints that your boy is going to be able to grab. All right, guys, I appreciate all of support. Thank you guys for pulling up a quick video for you guys today. I have a dope unboxing for you guys tomorrow, Friday, and Saturday, so stay tuned for all the videos that will be dropping. You guys have to stay tuned for that by hitting the notification bell right now. And if you have not subscribed already, man, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We are super close to that 30,000 subscribers, man. We're so close. It feels so good that you guys have been supporting me so strong. Hit that like button. The goal for every video is 300 likes, and let me know right now in the comment section below how difficult you think these will be to get on May 30th. Follow me on IG at DeVintage World. The link will be in the description box below. You guys already know. Drop the fire emojis in the comment section, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.
If you wanna do it, I say you get to it now. I see the view from the top of the podium, out of your sodium wingspan. I am the nigga they itching to see when you sitting with me, you a wingman. Everybody say they hot shit, some of y'all ain't right though. Everybody got punchlines, but some of y'all ain't right though. Step my game up, when you bring my name up, they gon' say I came up, they gon' say I changed up. Step my game up, when you bring my name up, they gon' say I came up, they gon' say I changed up. Step my game up, when you bring my name up, they gon' say I came up, they gon' say I changed up. Step my game up, when you bring my name up, they gon' say I came up, they gon' say I changed up. Step my living my life on the ledge, I'm a legend. My brother got caught with a weapon by 12, he was only 11. Fast forward a nigga done 8 and I'm feeling like 007. These niggas be angry as hell and I swear I'ma send them to heaven. Me and my dog in the reverend, this shit is morbid to me. Women be orbiting me, winning is normal to me. People be doing the most when they get a little audience, be how you normally be. All of my niggas a little off, some of them niggas is really on. She got a wiggle inside her jeans, I do not know how she fit them on. Me and these niggas don't get along, they be looking at me like I did them wrong. About to hit the bank, then I hit the bong. On the same shit, just a different song, and I hopped in the game like a